You need to hear this if you care about secure travel. From a paper stamp to a digital badge of trust, this is the Patriot Passport. Here's the history that made it essential. The Patriot Passport began as a simple idea: make travel safer and simpler. Early teams focused on verification, moving from slow paper checks to fast, secure digital IDs. Then came partnerships, border agencies, airlines, privacy experts, helping build a system people could actually trust. Next was innovation. Biometric locks, encrypted data pockets, a decentralized ledger to prove you without exposing everything. Skeptics pushed back on privacy, so engineers added user control. What you share is your call. Over time, it evolved from a bold prototype into a trusted standard used by millions. Smoother entry, fewer queues, stronger identity protection. Today, the Patriot Passport stands at the intersection of convenience and confidence, a timeline of small wins that earned big trust. Want the next chapter? Stick around and travel smarter.